This brief 2-minute video shows you how to enable the free data analysis toolpak that is embedded in Excel. It exists, but it is not necessarily enabled by default. If it is not enabled, then under the Data tab, you will not be able to see the data analysis tool that is now observable here because I have already enabled it. So if you can't see that, then you go under the File, then you go down and you select Options. As soon as you select Options, then in this menu, in this dialog box, select Add-in here on the left side. At the bottom of Add-in page, then select Manage Excel Add-ins and click Go. Click Go, and then this dialog box shows up. Make sure you select add-ins available analysis toolpak. That should be available by default. You select it, enable it, click OK, and as soon as you do that, then you under the data tab in the ribbon, so by default you're in home ribbon, go to data tab and the analyze group should show up, and inside as a part of analyze group you should see the data analysis tools. Click on that and then you will see the real impact of this data analysis useful toolbox, because you can see a lot of useful functions and capabilities become available to you, including ANOVA single factor, correlation covariance, especially descriptive statistic that provide you mean, median, mode, standard deviation variance for a column of data, and many more features, histogram, and many more statistical functions become available to you. I hope that you find this helpful.